is your favorite project you've ever worked
My favorite project, every play I ever directed. Um, Actually, there's two. And the first one is a project that I did, not a full production. I did a act one of Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party at the Actors Studio in the director's unit. It was my night to do a project, and that's what I planned on. And I rehearsed it and directed it as if we were opening off Broadway. And we had a set made out of rehearsal furniture and whatnot, but it was all these great New York actors were in it. And I did it because I wanted to test the theory about how to do that play. And I was very pleased. My theory was right. And it was just a terrific production of Act One.